Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are flying from Lewis to Indianapolis, Indiana. Clear right, clear left. We're just waiting for a little bit of wing turbulence to depart. Strobes, navs, all the lights are on, both. Full rich. Alright, we are good to go. Flaps are up. Clear right, clear left. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 631 or 361 name uniform is departing departing runway 20, going to be departing to the southeast. Lewis. Brand new airplane, I've never used it, so I gotta get used to saying 361. I can tell you that this thing, it sounds amazing, or at least the intercoms do. Here we go. Coming up. Oh man, I didn't even pull back. That's so amazing. It just automatically took off. That is crazy. And the performance on this thing is insane. Holy cow. I am climbing at an insane rate. Oh, that's like 1,200 foot a minute, maintaining DOI. So as traffic, Skyhawk 361 leaving uniform is on the departure leg, runway 20, going to be departing to the area to the southeast. Lewis. Alright, we don't have to worry about any aerospace. Now with this airplane I cannot lean because it is still in the break-in period. So yeah. It'll be a little tight on gas. Not really. Should still have 20 gallons in the tanks when by the time I'm done. Alright, let's switch over to approach.
04 Lima Alpha.
Alpha, thank you. Proceed direct to Hoagie when able. Lima 4 Lima Alpha, proceed direct to Hoagie when able.
Alright, direct to Hoagie, 4 Lima Alpha.
Departure, Skyhawk 361, leaving uniform CFR with crust.
Who's calling BFR?
Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, Lima Oscar Tango.
361 Lima uniform, squawk 5152, stay outside the Class Bravo airspace.
5152, staying out of the Bravo for Lima uniform.
With 361 Lima uniform, your radar contact 3 miles southeast of the Lewis Airport, altimeter 3004, state type aircraft and your intentions.
We're Skyhawk 172 and we'd like VFR flight following to Indianapolis, India, November, Delta.
Yeah, so you're going to go straight to Indianapolis Airport, you're going to Eagle Creek or any of the airports around there?
It's straight to Indianapolis.
Okay, and what altitude?
5,500.
Number 361 Lima uniform, reset to transponder, squawk 6247.
6247.
Number 361 Lima uniform, you can contact Chicago Center 132.5.
132.5 for 361 Lima uniform, sorry about that.
Have a good one.
Chicago Center, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 5,500.
For 361 Lima uniform, Chicago Center, Yankee, altimeter 3009er.
3009er for 361 Lima uniform. 300.
Southwest 1464, you can descend via the India 4 arrival, 22 left on the transmission. Number 361 Lima uniform, contact Grissom approach 123.85.
123.85 for 1 Lima uniform, thank you. 123.85. Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 5,500.
Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, Grissom approach. Good evening, Grissom altimeter 3013.
3013 to 1.
Number 1 Lima uniform, contact India approach 126.07, good day.
12607 for 1 Lima uniform, thanks for the help. 126.
Number 361 Lima uniform, Indy approach altimeter 3018. Say your request at Indy tonight.
3018, and we'd like a full stop taxi back if possible for 361 Lima uniform.
Lima uniform, say again.
Lima uniform would like a full stop taxi back at Indianapolis.
Lima uniform, and then what else after that?
Would like to depart back towards Lima Oscar Tango.
Lima Oscar Tango or Lima Alpha Foxtrot?
Lima Oscar Tango.
Sure. Number 361 Lima uniform, expect runway 23 right, and information uniforms current at Indy.
We'll get the weather and we expect runway 23 for 1 Lima uniform.
1 Lima uniform 23 right.
23 right to 1 Lima uniform, set up.
So right now it looks like we're racing a guy in. He's 2,000 foot below us.
November 361 Lima uniform, descend and maintain VFR at 4,500.
4,500 for 1 Lima uniform.
4,500. We're going down, boys. Fixture is rich, obviously. I can't.
Number 361 Lima uniform, descend and maintain 3,500, turn 10 degrees left.
3,500, turn 10 left for Lima uniform.
Number 361 Lima uniform, turn left heading 120.
120 for 1 Lima uniform.
Lima uniform, you're a full stop taxi back or you're a stop and go? Which one?
Full stop taxi back for 1 Lima uniform.
All right, thank you. Scout 1 Lima uniform, fly heading of 140.
140 for 1 Lima uniform.
I would.
November 1 Lima uniform, advise Indianapolis Airport in sight, 2 o'clock, 8 miles.
One Lima uniform, we're looking.
One Lima uniform, descend and maintain VFR at 3,000 and fly heading 180.
180 and 3,000 for 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform has a field in sight.
Number 1 Lima uniform, proceed inbound, runway 23 right, contact tower, 120.9.
120.9 for 1 Lima uniform.
Alright, kill the music.
Indy Towers, 361 Lima uniform, 3,200 for 3.
Scott 361 Lima uniform, Indy Tower, runway 23 right, clear to land.
23 right, clear to land, 1 Lima uniform.
Indy Tower number 94286, entering right base for runway 23 right.
Clear 94286, Indy Tower, runway 23 right, clear touch and go.
Runway 23 right, clear touch and go. Number 94286.
Indy Tower, lift 49, holding short of runway 23 left.
Awful.
Lift 49 Indy Tower, turn left heading 140, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 140, 23 left, clear for takeoff, lift 49.
Tower, which way would you like me to exit for 1 Lima uniform?
Scott 1 Lima uniform, turn right and taxi to runway 23 right via Alpha, Alpha 1. Hold short at 23 right at Alpha 1.
Alpha, Alpha 1, hold short at 23 right at Alpha 1, 80, or 13 uniform.